If you love dishes that come with a flavorful spread, I bet you'll love this carrot sandwich spread. Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. Today, let's head into the kitchen together to make a smooth, naturally sweet, wholesome, and light carrot spread to enjoy with bread. I guarantee anyone can easily make it at home. Let's get started with this simple recipe. You need to prepare 2 fresh carrots, 1 fresh lemon to squeeze the lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, and a little ground cumin or coriander. That is all you need. So familiar and simple. First, for the carrots. I use 2 medium-sized ones, equal to about 250 grams. If your carrots are smaller, you may need a little more. Then wash them clean under running water and let them drain. Next, there is no need to peel the carrots, because after cleaning you can eat the skin, especially since it also helps create color as well as add nutrients. Then cut off the top and bottom of each carrot, as this is where more fibrous parts and stems are concentrated. If you keep them, they may affect the flavor. After that, cut them into moderate pieces about 3 centimeters long so they cook more evenly. Then bring a pot of water to a boil and add salt. Stirring well. When the water is boiling, add the carrots and boil for about 10 minutes until tender. While the carrots are boiling, we can prepare the remaining ingredients. Now prepare the garlic and lemon. For this recipe, you need about 5 to 8 grams of garlic, which is usually 1 medium-sized clove. If the clove is very small, you can use 2. Try to balance the amount of garlic so it adds flavor without overpowering the taste of the carrots. Peel off the skin and cut it in half. If your garlic is old and has a large green sprout inside, it's best to remove that sprout. The sprout can taste slightly bitter and may cause indigestion for some people. If the garlic is fresh and the sprout is small or there is no sprout, you can use it right away. Next, the lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze about 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, equivalent to about 30 grams. Remember to remove the seeds if there are any so it won't feel gritty when eating. Fresh lemon helps balance the flavor and adds a refreshing brightness to this dish. Once you have finished preparing these 2 ingredients, go back to the pot, and by now the carrots should be tender. Carefully remove them and immediately place them into a bowl of cold water. This simple step helps stop the cooking process so the carrots do not become too soft. We still want the carrots tender but not mushy. After about 3 minutes, remove them and let them drain completely. Then place the boiled carrots into a large bowl. It's fine if the carrots are still slightly warm. Add 40 grams of olive oil, equivalent to about 4 tablespoons. Olive oil not only gives the dish a smooth, creamy texture, but it is also rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Next, add 30 grams of fresh lemon juice. Lemon enhances the flavor and provides a wonderful amount of vitamin C to support the immune system. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, about 5 grams. You can also substitute it with ground coriander to create warmth and depth in the dish. They contain natural compounds that may support digestion. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little freshly ground pepper to enhance all the flavors. At this step, you can absolutely adjust according to your taste by tasting and adjusting as you like. If you prefer a fresher flavor, add a little more lemon. If you want a richer taste, adding a little more salt will be perfect. And once all the ingredients have been added to the bowl, now use a hand blender and blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. Blend slowly and gently, little by little. until the mixture becomes completely smooth and well combined. The more you blend, you will notice the sauce becoming thicker and silkier. When the mixture is smooth, you now have your finished spread. The color looks fresh and vibrant, a beautiful bright orange, and the texture is wonderfully creamy. Now use a spoon to transfer the carrot spread into a clean glass jar. Then close the lid and place it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the texture of the pâté will naturally change. Once chilled, the pâté will become thicker and more set, but it will still maintain its smooth and rich creaminess. The flavor will also deepen slightly, making the dish even more delicious. Now it's time to enjoy your result. Prepare a few slices of crispy toasted bread, then spread a layer of carrot sauce on top. Add a little ground pepper over it, and enjoy. The creamy texture melts gently into the crisp crust, making every bite feel rich, fresh, naturally sweet, and satisfying. Be sure to save this recipe and add it to your breakfast or afternoon snack menu for something light yet nutritious. And that's how you turn a few simple ingredients into a smooth, flavorful carrot spread that feels both comforting and a little special. I hope this recipe inspires you to try something new in your kitchen. If you make it, I'd truly love to hear how you enjoyed it and how you served it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gentle, practical kitchen tips. See you in the next video.